Alright, I'm sitting at the desk editing, and I realise some of you guys have probably missed the Argo and the Land Rover content. I'm sorry, I've been off my feet for 3 months, and the Argo hasn't left for over a year for a bunch of reasons. So I got out recently, got it driving around, thanks to channel supporter Alan for the opportunity, and got a little bit of B-roll of it just moving. So this is just a video of the Argo, a bit of drone footage, a bit of music. Hope you enjoy the Argo content. We'll be back with something more structured soon. Lots of bunnies down here. There is supposedly a way across the river. I guess we'll find out. We'll go slow till we learn the lay of the land. Yeah, I think we need to be the other side of this fence. Is that a gap in the fence there? That is a gap in the fence. Fence post down. There's a river in here, I guess so. Oh, we're 38%. Don't know what happened to the GoPro, but it didn't want to record. Alright, there's a gate along the fence here. This might be our river crossing here. We'll work our way around the gate. I see Alan was right. There's a bit of an interesting crossing. Can we sneak through here? Let's see. Glad I got 8-wheel drive. Looks a bit like an exit out there. Looks like an exit there. There we go. Somebody's been through here at some point. There we go. I could hear voices over there earlier. Probably explains why. Okay. We're up. Might put the mini drone up to follow me. Mini drone time. You're gonna get it to follow. Okay, let's go for a drive. See if she follows. Mini drone's not following me. I gotta go find it. Follow my wheel tracks. Gotta be somewhere out here. I see it. It's still hovering. I think it might have got a bit caught in sun flare. Here you go, drone. Look, out of gear, please. Come on, come land. It doesn't want to land. Okay, land, please. Come on. I gotta go forward a little bit. Come on. Alright, so, didn't like the sun flare. Following me? Come on. Supposed to do direction track. Okay. Following me up? Come on. Bring me up. There we go. Yeah, she's coming with me. Alright, come on. Going home, drone. It's following now, that's better. I get a little bit left behind.